name is Maria Pavletic. I work for MiniMoves Incorporated, located in Hillside, Illinois. I am the Director of Marketing and have just learned about Zoho CRM Plus and very excited about the marketing opportunities and some of the new stuff that they've been bringing on. Staff has been excellent as far as teaching me, and I've learned a lot. The analytics is what I'm passionate about, and then moving on from there, we'll see. I would say feedback for new users is that the price point is perfect and has just as many tools, if not more. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'd say you guys are almost perfect, probably at a 9. Thank you.